Hi everybody, my name is Patrick Casper, and I came all the way from South Carolina to work here as an intern for Think Global Logistics. And thanks to API, I found the perfect internship for me. And today I'm going to be taking you all along with me to tell you all a little bit about my experience here so far. So let's get into it. Our office is located right by the Sydney Opera House and the Harbor Bridge. It's an inspiring location that sets the stage for endless possibilities. TGL's environment is fantastic. We have open workspaces and collaborative meeting rooms. It's a place where ideas flow freely and creativity thrives. What I love most about TGL is the focus on learning. We have training sessions that help us grow both personally and professionally. Working at TGL feels like being a part of a big family. The camaraderie here is unmatched. We collaborate, share ideas, and celebrate each other's successes. We don't just work together, we like to have fun too. At TGL, we have a lot of social events and team building activities. It's a great way to bond with colleagues and build lifelong friendships. So what are you waiting for? If you're looking for an internship that combines professional development with unforgettable moments, TGL is the place to be.